Asteroid Psyche 16, the global concern over NASA's mission to an asteroid approaching Earth, the movie Armageddon may be becoming a reality. NASA has prepared under extreme secrecy a special mission to an asteroid that threatens to end the world as we know it. The mission to discover the asteroid has a very Greek name, Psyche 16. It is a huge asteroid in the asteroid belt, which will approach us in a few years. The asteroid is one of the largest space rocks in the asteroid belt of our solar system, and due to its strange metallic composition, it has stratospheric value, as scientists report. Dr. Jim Green, a NASA scientist, estimates the value of the asteroid because, among other things, it carries precious metals in its guts. The asteroid contains huge amounts of gold, nickel, and iron, which could save the global economy. However, NASA does not plan to do any mining on it, but a trip that will be purely scientific. Asteroids are small rocky objects that orbit the Sun. The first asteroid was Ceres, discovered by Giuseppe Piazzi in 1801. Today there are over 600,000 known asteroids in our solar system. Most asteroids orbit a series of rings that lie between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. There are millions of asteroids in our solar system, usually found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, but those that pass by Earth are called near-Earth objects. Asteroids are small rocky bodies that orbit the Sun. A small piece of an asteroid the size of a car crashes into Earth's atmosphere about once a year. Asteroids are often called minor planets or planetoids because they are smaller than planets and even the Moon, and some asteroids even have moons. NASA believes that the asteroid Psyche 16 was part of an asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter and poses a risk to our planet. Jim Green, director of the Planetary Science Directorate at NASA, headquarters in Washington, praised his team for accelerating the required mission time. He said the mission design team will investigate whether a closer launch date could provide a more efficient orbit to track the asteroid to a greater extent. This will allow us to fulfill our science objectives more quickly and at a reduced cost. The biggest advantage is the excellent trajectory, which brings us about twice as fast to the asteroid more economically and efficiently, he said. His study will reveal more about the core of our own world. Ultimately, however, the question remains, for all the inhabitants of the Earth, are we at risk from asteroids or not? If we detect it relatively early, are we able to neutralize it? Scientists believe that this particular asteroid has a surface that is believed to be 90% metallic, while our world is at risk according to the history of the planet Earth, because millions of years ago an asteroid hit the Earth, wiping out all the dinosaurs and large animals, changing much on the ground. That's 66 million years ago. The answers to this question are still unknown, and to this day only the Russian Aerospace Defense has certified S-500 missiles which can neutralize space artifacts in the stratosphere. Russia has already reported that the firings of Prometheus anti-aircraft missiles has begun. Is this related to asteroid Psyche 16? Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.